Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to customize and change your mouse cursor within Windows 11 without any additional software. So what you want to do is open up your start menu here by clicking on it and go to the search menu here where you can search your PC and then just type in mouse and then you're going to see something here that says mouse settings. You can even go directly to this by typing in mouse pointer, but it's just easier to get to it this way. So once we're here under Bluetooth devices, mouse, if we go right here to where you see related settings, you're going to see additional mouse settings and mouse pointer where you see pointer size and color. If we click on the mouse pointer option here where we can change the color and size, this is where we can customize our mouse pointer. We can change it from a black or white mouse cursor. We can even add a little bit of kind of fade action here. We can change it to a nice yellow color. And then when we choose the yellow color here, you're going to see that there are recommended colors. So we're actually going to see different colors that we can select from. But if we go here to choose another color, you can choose from a plethora of colors of the rainbow. So whatever color you like to choose, I'm going to choose this nice little light blue color here. And then once I've done that, you can see I now have a nice green or teal colored mouse pointer. And then next we're going to see where we can change the size of the mouse pointer. So if we click the little dot here and drag this over to the right, it's going to increase the size. Now I have a ginormous mouse cursor. If I click and hold it and drag it back to the left, it's going to decrease the size of said mouse cursor. So again, left to make smaller, right to make larger. Now, we're going to have a touch indicator show a circle on the screen where I touched. So if I click right here, I turn that on, it's going to show a little reverberating circle around as far as like where I click, going to kind of let you know where you click. And you can even make that circle darker or larger depending on kind of your settings. A lot of this stuff is accessibility for folks who are maybe impaired with their vision, or they may have just a reason as to color blindness, whatever it may be. You can choose and edit how you want that to see here. Now, as far as the way and the speed in which it scrolls and moves across your screen, that's going to be adjusted right here where you see mouse pointer speed. If you just click on that there, you can adjust that speed, or in other terms, DPI, right here where it says mouse pointer speed. Drag left again to decrease, drag right again to increase. Now, the primary mouse button, if you are left-handed and you want to change that, you can right here under primary mouse button, you can hit the drop-down menu and go to right here, depending on if you are left or right-handed. Now, that's it. That is how you adjust the mouse pointer settings and change your cursor and customize it to your liking. Now, there are other tools in which you can download, but I did title this video without additional software. So there are tools you can Google, free mouse cursor tools that allow you to get even deeper into the customization settings on your PC within Windows 11. If you have any questions about how to do this, please put that in the comment section down below. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.